DMR number 1, we're going to use the number line to drag and drop our points in their correct spot. First of all, I know -1. We start at 0 and we go back to that -1. It's right there. Now, let's see. How many spaces are in between 0 and 1? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of those little tick marks are going to be 1/5. So if we have 2 and 4/5, we'll start at 0. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, well, we'll go 1, sorry. 2, and then 4/5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop, perfect. All right, now, -2, well, let's do this one first. -3 and 3/5. We'll get our easy ones out of the way first. So we're going to go backwards. 3, so -3 and 3/5, so -3 and 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. All right, next we're going to take a look at, let's do -2 and 2/10. Now, 2/10, that's not 2 spaces. So when you have 1/5, 1/5, if you do 1 divided by 5, you'll get 0.2 or 0 and 2/10. So if you have -2 and 2/10, that's -2 and 1/5. So we're going to go backwards, -2, and we're going to go one of those 5 spaces. Now, when we have +0 and 4/10, well, we know 1/10 or 1/5 is 2/10. And if you do 2 divided by 5 or 2/5, you will get 4/10. So that's if you do 2 divided by your 5. Whoop. So you get 2/10 there. Let's take a look. We're going to compare 0 and 4/10 and 2 and 4/5. So when we compare these, I guess I can, that doesn't work. Oh, 2 and 4. All right, sometimes you just have to put a little space there. So when we compare them, 0 and 4/10 and 2 and 4/5, well, what's going to be bigger? Obviously that 2 and 4/5. So we're going to drag this and we're going to drop it there. And that's going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job.